Hello everybody, this time I'm gonna try to use a mill with a replaceable blade. Why I want to try this out? Because if you sharpen the mill or let somebody do it, it will always come back with not the right dimension, what is logical. One, two, you're losing a lot of time and cost just to send it away and to get it back. Here you can replace the blades yourself, and the blades are rather cheap. Let's try it out. It's from CMT, as you can see, 651 081 11. Let's try it out. I'm gonna put it in the CauCau machine and I will mill at a speed of 3,500 millimeters per minute. At the cut depth of 18 millimeters, and that I will do in let's take melamine board, typical 18 thick, to build kitchens. What is not easy to cut because you can have quickly parts coming off the board, and that is what we don't want. This is the end result. As you can see, there's a nice cut. Okay, the mill is new. Let's see what happened if you are milling 40 plates, for example. If it then is still cutting very nice. But this is looking very good. Honestly, I'm a bit surprised how nice this is cut.